Everyone, thanks for tuning into CryptoZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, today I will be sharing some news coming out of Cardano that was published by Crypto's News Flash. So all credit goes to them. I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. But before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright. Cardano, Hoskinson heralds Girolamo as competition to IBM's Fabric. IOHK is planning to compete with IBM's Fabric with Girolamo, which will combine a permission and permissionless infrastructure for Cardano. The project is intended to become a user acquisition machine, bringing companies and government agencies into the Cardano ecosystem. According to Hoskinson, IBM's Fabric is the market leader in this area as it provides a permission system in which a company has control over the consensus. For example, Walmart is using Fabric and forces suppliers within the food supply chain to participate in the system while Walmart remains in control. This system stands in contrast to Cardano's permissionless blockchain, which gets its consensus from the community. However, in order to attract corporate customers, IOHK wrote the code for Cardano in a way that it is blockchain agnostic. Atala, which hosts a permission system, is also used for this purpose. As Hoskinson explained, both blockchains Atala and Cardano are interoperable with each other, making it very likely that companies will move to Cardano's permissionless infrastructure over the course of partnership. These deals we talk around, for example, the Georgia deal gives us 50,000 new users per year minimum and has the potential to scale to 100 of thousands, potentially getting it into the tourism industry where there are more than 10 million tourists per year. Deals that IOHK has already made, such as the partnership with European country Georgia, could pay off the Cardano ecosystem in the long run. In fact, a lot of cases when we say who's going to run the infrastructure, they say we really don't want to do that. And when you are further along the business relationship, you can say, let's go ahead and run this permissionless infrastructure. And they say, okay, fine. In addition, both Atala and Cardano will use the ID solution Prism so that users will be able to move between platforms without barriers. In addition, the new Cardano code can be executed in both a permission and permissionless environment. With this in mind, IOHK joined the Hyperledger consortium to find new partners for the Cardano permission version. The whole system will be what Hoskinson called the user acquisition machine. Regarding the exact timetable, Hoskinson explained that exact plans are still being developed but will implement in 2021. So this is something that we gonna unify in 2021. We're writing a big proposal to continue IOHK participation in the Cardano ecosystem. Some of this has to do with the rolling up all the innovation we came up with that all out of scope for the 2020 agreement. Some of them have to do with emerging next generation technology like ZK rollups and recursive snarks, all kinds of scalability solutions, and some of these have to do with unifying permission and permissionless together. This video is very interesting. If you are a Cardano believer and you want to know more about this coming from the man himself, Charles Hoskinson, I would strongly encourage you to watch this video. I will leave the link in the description box below. So going on to the prices, guys. So if we're looking at the markets right now, still in red. Yesterday we did make a small recovery, like Bitcoin was pushing up to that 10,300 level, taking all the markets along with it. But right now we're seeing another correction because guess what Bitcoin is doing? Bitcoin, on the other hand, is just, let me give it a quick refresh right now. But yeah, in the meantime, let's go back and see this. Yeah, so far we're seeing major like red still in that weekly thing. So Cardano is at number 12 right now, down 26%. But I want you guys to keep one thing in mind. If you look, it's not only Cardano that's down. a lot of people are just, there's a lot of FUD going around in the markets that's saying, oh, Cardano is over, Cardano is this and that, and Cardano is dropping in price. But if you look around the board, majority of the altcoins are in a deep red. Some are down 42%, some are down 30, some are down 36%. This is this was expected, so it's not just Cardano that is down right now, guys. Keep that in mind. So but let's just go check Bitcoin real quick. So we could see, I've been saying for the last week that Bitcoin still has a possibility to drop to that $9,700 to fill the CME gap, and it's been like doing that for a while now. It keeps on up trying to go to that level, but like I said, there's so much liquidity around that level that it keeps on getting bought back up. But I still believe it will get pushed down to that $9,700. There's going to be a quick wick down, and it's going to quickly bounce back up from that level, and then I think we should be good to go from there, but only time will tell. But with Cardano, we're seeing we're at 9 cents right now, down 0.8% today, and in 24 hours we're down 0.28%, and that is due to Bitcoin being super volatile. It's not deciding where it wants to go right now, but when it stabilizes, I believe all the altcoins will start making their leg up again. But yeah, guys, long term, you guys know my stance on Cardano. You guys know how much of a believer I am in the Cardano project itself and Charles Hoskinson. A lot of big things coming up for Cardano in the upcoming future. Next month, I believe, is going to be really big for Cardano because more and more people are going to find out about Cardano because they are ramping up their, marketing strategy. So they're going to, market Cardano more, and more and more people are going to find out about it because there's a lot of new investors coming into the markets right now, a lot of new money coming into the markets. And most of those people that come into the markets, they only look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP because those are the top three, mostly on that are known for people that are new. That those are the top three projects that are known. But then when people start finding more about other projects, and Cardano, I believe, is going to be a very like appealing project to new investors because of staking. When people find out that they could earn staking rewards, passive income off Cardano, and the liquidity is there, and everything is there, and when people actually find out what Cardano is doing, I believe Cardano's price is going to go up automatically. But like I said, that's just my own personal opinion. We never know, only time will tell. But long term, I'm extremely bullish on Cardano. And if you guys are in it for the long haul in Cardano, and you don't want to like sell right now, always keep your Cardano off the exchanges. I always say that, guys. Always keep your Cardano off the exchanges. And because when you keep Cardano on the exchange, you do not own the private keys. And if the exchange were to get hacked, your Cardano is at risk. So if you want to go in the description box below, you could purchase a Ledger Nano S. You could purchase a Ledger Nano S or a Ledger Nano X. A Ledger is giving away. They're having a 20% off sale right now. For a limited time offer from September 7th all the way to 21st of this month, and they're giving 20% off on the purchase, and you have to use the code back to school, and you will get that 20% off. And I believe that device is very important for everyone to have because you work hard for your money, and you should have your own private keys, not the exchange owners, because you never know when these exchanges are going to get hacked. Doesn't matter how big the exchange is, they are always they're always at risk of getting hacked at some point. So it's always good to keep your Cardano off the exchanges and always invest what you could afford to lose. And yeah, guys, future is really bright for Cardano. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think about Cardano? Tell me your thoughts for the end of the year, where we could be trading at Cardano, like what price Cardano would be trading at the end of the year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there. That's the most important thing. Everything else comes later. Health comes first, and safety comes first, and obviously family comes first. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like the video because it helps the algorithm. It helps push my video out to new viewers and more viewers that want to know about Cardano. And yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.